Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. How you all doing? I hope you're well and having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda. Today guys, I have a Poundland haul for you. Now this is another Poundland haul. Yesterday's one was Easter and Mother's Day. Today I have a general homeware haul for you from Poundland because they've got so many lovely pieces in, I can't keep away. You guys know that I absolutely love Poundland, so oh my goodness guys, the bits that I've got to show you are absolutely amazing. So yeah, do stay tuned, okay? So one item I did actually show you on my previous video, which was collective homeware haul. I just had to show you those photo frames because I just thought they were so lovely. I had to incorporate them in that haul. So I may show you those again today, okay? So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box below where I did a collective homeware haul from Poundland, PRIMARK, TESCO Home, and I think there was one or two items from IKEA as well. Okay, so that's going to be linked in the description box below. But today guys, it's another Poundland haul. Like I said, it's a homeware haul. Pepco Home is absolutely amazing, so I've got some lovely pieces to show you, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to stop waffling on and get into today's haul. Okay, so the first item I picked up was this cupcake holder or cupcake box. So this holds up to 12 small cupcakes. Now I've got on really well with these. These are so good. Like, you know when you make a cupcake and it doesn't turn out, you know, 100%, doesn't turn out great. When you put them in these boxes and just decorate them with a bit of, you know, a bit of frosting, icing, these boxes make the cupcakes look amazing. Okay, so this holds up to 12 mini cupcakes and I got this £1. That's my first item. I don't know if it's showing up well on the camera, but it has got sort of like black and grey spots going around it, like polka dots going around it. Really lovely, very simple, effective. Love that. Okay, that's that, my first item. So the next items I picked up were these. Now I'm in need of these because I've got pots in my cupboard just clanking. You know when the pots are just clanking onto each other. And it's really not good to have your pots like stacked inside each other because the inside of the pots do get scratched. So these are pan and pot protectors, which are a brilliant idea. You know, so you get a set of 3 of them. Okay, so have large, medium and small. And these came in at £1.40 for the set. Okay, I do love that lovely grey felt detail on these as well. Okay, so that's those. Okay, so next up I picked up a pair, well, it's not a pair actually, it's a pack of 3 black scissors. Okay, again, £1.40 for those. These are going to come in handy because I've gone through decluttering and sorting out scissors that I've had like for over years, and a lot of them have gone rusty, some of them have got sticky stuff on them, and I just can't be bothered to actually clean them up, you know. I've cleaned up 1 or 2, but for £1.40 it's worth just picking up a new set. Okay, so I've got those. Okay, so next up in the kitchenware, I picked up these lovely stackable containers. So I've got 2 of this size, okay, and I've also got 1 of this larger size. So they're clear, but they've got the black clippings on them. So I thought this would be perfect to decanter some nuts, some apricots, you know, like snacky food into them. So this large one was £1.50. It holds 1000 millimeters, okay, and then the smaller ones hold 470 mil each, and these were £1.25 each. Absolutely brilliant. And I think these are new ins. I haven't actually seen these before in Poundland, you know, really lovely. So I'm just going to take out the paper in them so you can see how it looks without the paper. I do like that. I do like the aesthetics of it, you know. I know it's like very simple, very good for Poundland as well. Okay, so that's those. Okay, so next up I picked up this mug, and as you can see guys, it's got but first coffee. Okay, it hasn't got anything on the other side, but that's absolutely fine. I would have preferred if it had it on the other side as well, but you know, can't go wrong. For I think this was £1, so I picked that up. It's got a lovely black rim going across it there, and I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but it has got black speckles, you know, going around it, you know, which is really lovely, which is very similar to the rabbit that I showed you from Poundland. Same kind of thing, ceramic, but it's got the black speckles on it. So that was £1. I'm sure that was £1, or if not £1, it was £1.25. Okay, so yeah, had to pick that up. Not that I need any more mugs, but yes, I picked that up. Okay, so next up I picked up this. This is a makeup brush holder. Okay, you can easily use it for toothbrush and toothpaste if you're traveling. Big enough to put your toothpaste in there with the toothbrush. And that's why I got them as well. I picked up 2 of these. Okay, I think I got a cream one before, so I'm going to put them together when we're traveling. And myself, hubby and little Oakley. 80p for this, guys, 80p. It's plastic. I suppose it can be used for anything really. You know, you can even put jewellery in there, a couple of rings, a necklace, you know, some earrings in there for traveling. So yeah, pick that up, 80p. Okay. Next up, I picked up this, which is a set of 2 radiator hooks. So you know, if you have those round towel radiators in your bathroom or in your cloakroom and so on, it's very hard to find the right hooks to put onto those radiators. I always find that you've got to hang them onto a valve of the radiator or something like that. There's never something that you can hook it onto directly. So Poundland have sorted that out for us. So yeah, 2 radiator hooks, and these came in at £1, guys. They also had them in white. I've just gone for the black ones. Okay, that's them there. And then in the reduced section in Poundland in the Pepco Home, I picked up this silicone dish drying mat. Okay, it's quite a good size. It's 40 by 30 centimeters, and again, this can be used for multiple uses. Okay, it's a dish drying mat. Okay, so you can have it this way, I would say. Yeah, you have that flat on the surface, and this bit here would hold all the water that's dripping down. It's also got a little hole so you can have this hanging up as well, you know, for storage. So that was reduced from £4 down to £2. Well, that was a really good idea, and yeah, had to get that. And then next I picked up another set of these. These are the lint rollers. So you get the handle and you also get 3 extra rolls of it. This is still £1 in Poundland, guys. So it's a shame that they don't just sell the refills of this size. Anytime I go into store, I don't see the refills of this size. So I end up buying the whole thing again, you know, which is a bit of a shame because I've got so many of these things lying around, you know. But yeah, £1, you really can't go wrong. And they have all different designs as well. I've gone for the monochrome ones because that's my vibe. And I get on really well with these. These are absolutely brilliant, you know, because I wear a lot of like dark colours, especially when I wear my black, like, you know, the black Primark everyday t-shirt. I do wear quite a lot of those. That's like my signature uniform for school run, you know, or the long sleeve ones. They do get a bit dusty. Even when you put them in the wash, you know, you take them out, they can get a bit dusty. So I like to just roll one of these over and take off all the lint, and yeah, good to go. So yeah, £1, still £1 for these, okay, in Poundland. So that's that. And the next item I picked up was this. Now this is a palette, a painting palette. So my son Oakley, he's got so many like paints that have been opened, but you know, they've still got a lot of paint left in them, and I don't really want to just squeeze them out onto card or onto paper. That's what I've been doing in the past. When I saw this in Poundland, I thought, yeah, I'm gonna get that for him. So it's got all these different, it's got like how many apertures? It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's got about 8 different apertures. You can put 8 different colours of paint around there. So I picked that up, and I think that was 50p. It's reduced from £1 down to 50p. Okay, so that's that. Then I also picked up some more of these black hooks, because you always need hooks to hang things up with, you know. These were reduced down to 50p, so had to get them from £1 down to 50p for 5 black hooks, and they hold up to 0.5 kilograms of weight. Okay, so 5-pack of those. And then in the reduced section again, this is in the arts and crafts, I picked up these easels, and I only had 3 of these left. These were reduced down from £2 down to £1. And guys, you're getting a canvas and you're also getting an easel. You really can't go wrong. So that's that. Okay, and I think that's all I have for you today. Ooh, there's one more item, guys. There's one more item. It's gorgeous. Now, guys, I absolutely love Poundland for their bags, and you know, they're so clever because they bring out a bag for each season. You know, they have like everyday design bags, but these bags that they brought out for the spring, guys, are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to show you this one. I'm not sure if I showed it to you in my, if I showed it to you already in my previous Poundland haul, do forgive me, but I'm going to show it to you again. It's absolutely stunning, and it's this beautiful spring floral bag, guys. Look at that. Look at the bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely spring colours. These are £1, by the way, guys, okay? They're £1, and they're also 100% recyclable, and they do hold quite a lot, and they fold up really well. So what I tend to do when I'm going on a school run, or if I'm popping out, if I know I'm going shopping, I'll just fold up one of these bags. Because the fabric on them is so like soft, you can just fold this up very easily like that, and you can just put the handle around it like that. You've got a bag. Pop this in my handbag and I'm good to go. Okay, I did actually go to Poundland with a bag this time, but when I saw these on the background, I had to pick one of these up as well. Okay, so that's the bag there. I want to show you these again, guys, in case you missed the video, in case you missed my collective homeware haul video. These lovely photo frames from Poundland. This one is £1.50 for the larger one that holds a 5x7 inch photo. The smaller one holds a 6x4 inch photo, and that one was £1 or £1.25. Okay, but they're both absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know which was your favourite item from today's haul. I've got to say, just for practicality, I do absolutely love the idea of these pan and pot protectors. Okay, and also my new containers. Very affordable. Can't go wrong with those. Okay, but do let me know which was yours, and do let me know, guys, if your Poundland stock any of these, because I do get quite a few comments of people saying, oh, our Poundland doesn't have those, and so on. So do bear in mind that Poundland are online, guys. A lot of these things you can get online. So if I find any of them online, I know it's not the same as having the experience of going to the store, but if I find any of these on the Poundland website, I will link them in the description box below. Okay, guys? So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the sunshine. Happy spring. Take care. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. It's time for the thumbnail. I think I'm going to have to use one of these and one of these.
Let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What?